Hey there, this is Tara from CrafteraCreates.com. I'm going to show you how to create a quick and easy floating monogram cupcake topper using the Cricut Monogram Maker tool. To get started in Cricut Design Space, click on the Monogram tool, which is on the bottom left side of the screen. The Monogram Maker tool is a feature for Cricut Access subscribers. For the cupcake toppers, I chose the elegance style monogram. Located near the top are the text boxes where you add the initials you want to use. For this style, Cricut Design Space automatically put the initials in monogram format with the last initial or the last name as the larger middle letter in the monogram. There are a bunch of border varieties to choose from. For this project, I'm using the simple double circle border. Once you are happy with the monogram, click Add to Canvas. Enlarge the design so it's easier to work with. You will see that the design is on separate layers but grouped together. For the floating cupcake topper, we need to attach the layers together. First, with the design group selected, click the color options and choose one color for the whole design. Next, with the design group selected, click on Attach near the bottom of the screen. Now we can add an offset which will be used to create the floating effect. Click the Offset tool near the top of the screen and select a distance. I am using a distance of 0.2 inches. The goal is for the offset to connect the letters to the outside border. You can see the K and the W offsets are touching each other and the W is connected to the border, which is exactly what we need. Next, click Apply once you are happy with the design. The offset layer will be cut with clear acetate. To help me remember to use transparent acetate, I like to change the color to a light blue. You can change the color of an offset layer by selecting the layer and choosing a color in the color panel. Now that our monogram cupcake topper design is done, we can group together the layers to make the design easier to work with. Before we move on, it's time to resize the cupcake topper. With the design selected, change the size at the top to 3 inches wide. Great! Our monogram cupcake topper design is ready. Let's add a small rolled flower. Click on the Images tool, which is on the left side of the screen. Search for 3D flowers and scroll through the options. Find a leaf and a simple rolled flower to use. I chose the design M4258D for the leaf and M3D7E1 for the flower. You can see at the bottom of the screen that both designs are selected. Click Add to Canvas to add the designs to your cupcake topper design. As you can see, the designs came up larger than we need. Use the resize handle to adjust the size. To get a better idea of the size, I placed the leaf over the cupcake topper to make sure it wouldn't be too big. For the rolled flower, I eyeballed the size of the center base of the flower with the offset border of the cupcake topper. The rolled flower is sized around 3 inches wide. If you want, you can update the color of the flower using the color panel near the top of the screen. Remember to duplicate the leaf if you'd like to include a leaf on each side of the flower. Everything is ready to go. When you are ready, click Make It to send the project to your Cricut machine. You will see all the mats with the different colors. This project uses vinyl for the monogram and the circle border, clear acetate for the offset layer, green and pink cardstock for the flower. Continue on and cut the project with vinyl, acetate, and cardstock using your Cricut cutting machine. To assemble the cupcake topper, you will need the monogram design cut in vinyl and transfer tape. I use Cricut holographic vinyl, the offset layer cut in acetate, the rolled flower and leaves cut in cardstock, and a clear cake pop stick. Other tools you will need are a Cricut mat and a hot glue gun. Grab a light grip Cricut mat and add the acetate to the mat. This will help keep the acetate in place so you can apply the vinyl on top easier. Apply the transfer tape to the vinyl. Remove the backing sheet and apply the vinyl to the acetate. Use a scraper to ensure the vinyl is applied well. Gently peel back the transfer tape. Next, we will prepare the rolled flower. Starting from the outside, roll the paper tightly inward. I am using a paper quilling tool to help roll the flower. Fold over the last circle and secure with a small dot of hot glue. You can use hot glue or paper glue to add the flower to the cupcake topper. Hot glue dries faster. Tuck the leaves in on either side of the rolled flower with more glue. These gold reverse tweezers are really helpful at holding small cardstock pieces. I will link to the set in the comments. Great, now all we need to do is add the stick and the cupcake topper will be done. I used a pair of jewelry pliers to cut the clear cake pop stick in half. I will save the other half for my next topper project. Use a very small dot of hot glue to add the cake pop stick. I added glue to the middle letter and the bottom of the border. This looks best if the glue is mostly hidden behind a section of vinyl. And that's it. Your floating monogram cupcake topper is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use the monogram tool to create a quick and easy cupcake topper with your Cricut machine. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Happy crafting!